In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can completely uninstall Git from Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to the search option, then go to the setting. Here you can see settings, click on this, then we'll click here apps, then click on install apps, and here we're going to search for Git. So here you can see Git. So on this three dot, we need to click, then click on uninstall, click on uninstall again, and click here. Yes, completely remove Git for and all of its components. So I'm going to click here yes, and it will uninstall Git completely from the system. And we can just click here OK. But if you still want to check whether if there is any leftover file from Git, then what you can do is that you can just go to the file explorer, then go to localhost, then go to program files and check if there is any Git folder over here. And if there is a Git folder, just delete it from here. After that, you can check the program files as well. There you can see there is no Git folder over here. So it means Git is completely removed from the system. So yeah, this is how we can uninstall Git from Windows. I hope this was useful.